Hello dear students, myself Mr. Bhavesh Amurthy, Assistant Professor, AKO Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, AKO College of Pharmacy, Nasik. We are going to learn preparation of suitable solid derivatives from organic compounds, that is phenol picrate. It is also a picrate derivative. Derivatives. Derivatives is a compound that can be imagined to arise or actually be synthesized from a parent compound by replacement of one atom with another atom or a group of atoms. Derivatives are used extensively in organic chemistry to assist in identifying compounds. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of the practical, students are able to know the procedure for picrate derivatives, precautionary statement and first aid measures while handling benzene. Requirements. In apparatus, we require beaker, measuring cylinder, glass funnel, pipette, etc. Chemicals, phenol, picric acid, ethanol and benzene, etc. Let us see the observation table. First chemical is used by phenol. Its molecular formula is C6H6O. We require 0.5 ml. Melting point is 40.5 degrees Celsius. Phenol is a transparent crystalline solid. Second one is picric acid. Its molecular formula is C6H3N3O7. We require 2 to 3 ml. Its melting point is 122.5 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless to yellow solid. Third one is benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6. We require quantity 1 to 2 ml. Its melting point is 5 to 5.53 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless liquid. Fourth one is ethanol. Its molecular formula is C2H6O. We require quantity 5 ml. Its melting point is minus 114.40 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless liquid. Let us see the procedure. 0.5 ml of phenol, add 1 to 2 ml of ethanol or benzene, plus add 2 to 3 ml of saturated solution of picric acid. When picrate separates as a yellow solid out on mixing, in case no solids form on mixing, heat the mixture on water bath and allow it to cool slowly. Filter the product and decrystalline from dilute alcohol if necessary. Cautions while handling the benzene. Because benzene is very toxic, prolonged or repeated exposure cause damage to blood or immune system or cause cancer. Potential health effects of benzene. Main routes of exposure: inhalation, skin contact and the eye contact. While inhalation, it can irritate the nose and throat and can cause harm to the nervous system. Symptoms may include headache, nausea, dizziness, drowsiness and confusion. While skin contact, it is a skin irritant, cause moderate to severe irritation. Symptoms include pain, redness and swelling. While eye contact, it is an eye irritant. It can cause moderate to severe irritation. Symptoms include sore, red eyes and tearing. The vapor also irritates the eyes. Ingestion, it is harmful. It can cause effects as described for inhalation. Aspiration hazard may be drawn into the lungs if swallowed or vomited, causing severe lung damage. Death also can result. Effects of long-term or chronic exposure. It can cause dry, red, cracked skin, also known as the dermatitis. First aid measures for benzene. While inhalation of benzene, take precaution to prevent a fire. For example, remove source of ignition. Take precaution to ensure your own safety before attempting rescue. Example, wear appropriate protective equipment. While skin contact, avoid direct contact. Wear chemical protective clothing if necessary. Quickly take off contaminated clothing, shoes and leather goods. While eye contact, avoid direct contact. Wear chemical protective clothes if necessary. Immediately flush the contaminated eyes with lukewarm, gently flowing water for 15 to 20 minutes while holding the eyelids open. While ingestion, have victim rinse mouth with water. If vomiting occurs naturally, have victim lean forward to reduce risk of aspiration. First aid comments: if exposed or concerned, see a doctor for medical advice. All first aid procedures should be periodically reviewed by a doctor familiar with the chemical and its condition of use in the workplace. So we learn the reaction for picric derivative preparation. When phenol is reacted with picric acid, it gives phenol picric. This practical is preparation of suitable solid derivatives from organic compounds, that is phenol picric. It is also picric derivative. So let us see the requirement for today's practical. In apparatus, we require beaker, measuring cylinder, glass funnel, pipette. In chemicals, we require picric acid, ethanol, and benzene. Let us see the reaction for today's practical. When phenol is reacted with picric acid, it gives phenol picric.
So let us see the requirement: test tube stand, pipette, glass funnel, beaker, filter paper, measuring cylinder, tripod stand, rubber bulb, and test tube holder. Chemical requirement: phenol, benzene, and the saturated solution of picric acid. The procedure for preparation of picric derivatives: add 0.5 ml of phenol, after that add 1 ml of benzene, after that add 2 to 3 ml of saturated solution of picric acid, after that boil the solution on water bath. After boiling, cool the solution for few minutes. Filter the solution. Filtration and drying, we obtain the picric acid derivative.
Theoretical yield calculation: 94.11 gram or ml of phenol is equals to T23.22 gram per ml of phenol picric. 0.5 ml of phenol is equals to x gram. X is equal to 323.22 into 0.5 divided by 94.11. Theoretical yield is equals to 1.71 gram and the practical yield we obtain is 1.23 gram. So percentage yield is calculated by practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. So the percentage yield is 71.85%. Result: molecular formula of phenol picric C12H9N3O8. Theoretical yield 1.71 gram, practical yield 1.23 gram, percentage yield 71.85%. Melting point of phenol picric is 124 to 126 degrees Celsius. So we see the synopsis. First question is write a reaction for phenol picric derivative preparation. Second is write precautionary measures while handling benzene. First is write a reaction for phenol picrate derivative preparation. When phenol is react with picric acid, it gives phenol picrate. Phenol molecular weight is C6H6O. Its exact mass is 94.04. Its molecular weight is 94.11. Phenol picrate, its molecular formula is C6H3N3O7. Its exact mass is 229. Its molecular weight is 229.1. Phenol picrate, molecular formula C12H9N3O8. Its exact mass is 323.04. Its molecular weight is 323.22. Second is what personal protective equipment, also known as the PPE, is needed when the working with benzene. We require eye, face protection, wear chemical safety goggles and face shield when contact is possible. Skin protection, wear chemical protective clothing like gloves, aprons, boots, because benzene is cause cancer. Thank you.